you ever stop to think why you are going to the same path everyone else is? Do you ever stop to think what you want in life? Do you ever stop to consider what life you want? Stop thinking. Just go chase your dreams.
1, 2, 3, 4. Why'd you have to leave so soon? Yeah. Why'd you have to go? And why'd you have to leave me when I needed you the most? 'Cause I don't really know how to tell you without feeling much worse. I know you're in a better place, but it's always gonna hurt. Carry on, give me all the strength I need to carry on. Yeah, yeah. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. 'Cause we've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
If you want to learn about yourself, start by exploring the world around you.
How do I breathe without you when I'm feeling so cold? And I'll be waiting right here for you till the day you go. Carry on and give me all the strength I need to carry on. Yeah, yeah. So let the light guide your way. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home. Oh yeah. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about